in the wake of a string of technical malfunction incidents involving Indian carriers. The Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia has held an important meeting to address these safety issues with senior officials of the DGCA, that is the Director General of Civil Aviation. This is a meeting that took place on Sunday. What exactly happened at this meeting? How concerned should we be really about all of these incidents that we've been reporting? Vishnu joins us with the details. Vishnu, what more can you tell us?
Well, look, Rishika, as you mentioned, there have been certain engineering concerns. There have been 2 instances of Indian jetliners having to land in Karachi, Pakistan because of technical glitches. Those were precautionary landings. But there have been several other incidents across airlines of technical failings or problems which have necessitated precautionary landings. There have been other technical glitches as well. At the end of the day, it's not just the convenience of passengers, it's their basic safety which is of concern. So what the Director General of Civil Aviation has done, and we've actually got the order of the DGCA, which has just been passed in the last little while, is they conducted a lot of spot tests. And in these spot exams of various examinations of various airlines, they have identified, firstly, they have said there have been reports of increased engineering-related occurrences in scheduled airlines. And as a result of this, they've identified 3 specific areas where there are problems. Number 1, improper identification of the causes of defects. Number 2, increasing trend of MEL or minimum equipment list releases. What is MEL? In simple terms, aircraft have redundant systems on board. So if one system is not working, you'll have backup systems. And on occasion, you are allowed to fly with a minimum equipment list. It's not an ideal situation, but it is allowed. But what the regulator now says is, look, avoid that by and large, operate aircraft to their full capability and with all systems functioning. Thirdly, non-availability of required certifying staff at multiple scheduled arrivals and departure points. This is very important because all airlines have to ensure that in every base of operations or in every transit point, they must have engineers of a certain standard who are qualified or best qualified to actually clear an aircraft for flights. What airlines do in certain cases, as this order actually specifies, is gives one-off clearance or one-off permission to a particular engineer who may not be as qualified to clear a flight for operations. No, says the DGCA, ensure an AME category B1 or B2 license, in other words, more senior engineers who should be clearing flights before they actually take off.